doing Bella Microgold, but with Platelet Rich Plasma. So we have PRP in here. That's the magic. It's basically the patient's blood that we spin down. It has 8 different growth factors that come from platelets that degranulate when you spin the blood down. And so we're going to microneedle that into his skin. So basically, we've got these tiny microneedles at the end of this vial. Every time the central plunger is pushed down, more platelet-rich plasma comes out, and so that can be delivered to the upper dermis and the epidermis of the skin. And we have epidermal growth factors and dermal growth factors in PRP that help stimulate collagen and rejuvenate the skin. So you can see, if you look really closely, there's tiny, tiny little bleeding dots, just enough opening in the skin to get the active ingredient in there. So that's what we're going for. And it's easier to get those on the forehead because there's, you know, the bone behind it. And it's a little bit trickier around the eyes, but we like to get those crow's feet. You okay?
Great.
We usually recommend this once a month for a series of 3 to 4 sessions, sometimes up to 6, depending on what the patient's goals are. And then after a year, you might want to repeat your series. The beauty of this is it's fully natural, obviously very natural. It's your own serum. You're just basically tricking your body into laying down new collagen. And everyone asks me, like, if they're already in my body, then why take them out and put them here? And it's because usually your growth factors are in your bloodstream and they're only released into your tissues when you have an injury. So a cut or something like that. So basically we're mimicking it, kind of an injury, by having it externally applied or, you know, microneedled in. So direct growth factors send signals to lay down new collagen, as they would if you had a cut or an injury.